Enjoy Star Food from the heart of Calgary, Northeast, and the powerhouse of Canada, Alberta. So today we are here at Bowness Park, and it's very nice this weather. We're enjoying the weather here. We are sitting by the bank of the Bowness River. It's just behind of me. So we are debating to each other right now. So where we should go for the tonight dinner. So there's a bunch of cuisine in our mind, and we are still debating. So let's go with me, and I'll let you know on my way. So what type of cuisine we're gonna explore today. So stay with us, stay tuned. We're gonna meet you in the new cuisine. See ya. Guys, so we just reached at Mediterranean cuisine,
Salora.
Salora. And it seems like it's a part of a Jerusalem shawarma. So they expand, Jerusalem expand their locations. There's a lot of traffic behind me, so excuse the noise of the traffic. So Salora is a part of also Jerusalem. Let's go inside. We're gonna explore their dishes. Let's go.
So KB, I'm so hungry.
Hungry? Okay, let's explore their menu. We'll see what they have a specialty here. It's basically a Jerusalem shawarma is set, and they have a Salora restaurant. They are just one thing. So I'm gonna take a look of the menu, and we'll see what the specialties will order, and we'll meet you when we food on the table. Okay guys, so I just ordered, there are some couple of special dishes. So I ordered lamb mandi, and then I ordered lamb and beef platter. It's come with the skewers, come with the rice as well. So I just ordered, they told me it's going to take 10 minutes, I think so. So I'm waiting for here for a couple of minutes, and once our food is ready and here, I'll get back to you. This is mandi. I'm going to bring the other one. It's a lamb and beef platter. Beef platter. Yeah. It's come with the two pita as well. Okay guys, so we got our food on the table. This is lamb mandi. It's come with the Greek salad. They put some crisp on it. This is the beef and lamb platter. So if I'm going to start with mandi, I can take a look. They have a very good pieces of the lamb. Number one, number two. Number two, there's a, actually it's pretty good portion actually, not bad. So it's come with also some veggie as well. So I'm first gonna be a base test, okay? So I'm gonna taste the just rice and see how it is. When he actually put the beef, spoon of the beef, spoon of the lamb on the mandi, there was broth as well. So I'm gonna take a look at how it is. So just a simple rice, a different color, orange and yellow as well. So let's try just a beef, just rice, sorry. different. Actually, it's not mandi. It seems like it's a biryani rice. So, it seems like biryani, right? So, yeah. So because they are offering biryani as well, I think so they give us the biryani rice. It's not mandi rice. So anyways, let's check it that. Those pieces of lamb, they're hot, but they're very tender. Look at that. Look at that. If I'm gonna, you see, here you go. So bone is separate. So look at that. Man, how tender it is. Wow. Let me try this one. Bismillah. You know, it tastes like our back home lamb curry. So basically, I ordered lamb mandi, but this is not lamb mandi. Okay, so this is biryani rice plus a curry type of the lamb on it. So it's not. Anyways, but it's tasty. But if you are like going for the nostalgia of mandi, so it's not mandi. Simple as that. So let me try with the lamb. Mandi sauce. Oh man. Why is it so this is the mandi sauce. I'm gonna try some lamb, some rice, some veggie, and some mandi sauce on it. Right? I'm gonna take some of the crisp and some of green as well. I'm gonna take a rocket white. Okay, there you go. Oh. When I put it the mandi sauce, it becomes the mandi, but actually it's not. Guys, it's not mandi. It's not mandi rice. It's something like biryani and lamb curry. You got what I'm saying is? Okay. So, but it's very tasty. So let's move in this platter. So they give us, these are the potato, Greek salad, hummus. This is I think so lamb, and these are the beef stews. So simple rice with it. Let me taste the rice first. My simple rice. So what I'm gonna do that I'm gonna take up one piece of beef, some of the hummus, some rice, some of feta cheese, and then I'm gonna bite it. Okay, there you go. So beef is tender but dry. Let me try this kebab. Look at that. We'll see how it is. I'm gonna do a base test as well. Kind of a kafta kebab. Not bad. It's very good. I'm gonna taste the potato. These are the potato. You see. Not bad. Okay. It's kind of a regular platter. There's no magic or anything. So I'm gonna try some of the kebab, right? A piece of kebab. I'm gonna put some hummus on it. I'm gonna put some garlic sauce on it. Okay. Then I'm gonna put some salad. Okay. And there's gonna be a sandwich. Okay. There you go, guys. It's good. when you try with the bread, it's very good. Okay guys, so it's tea time, so they serve us complimentary Arabian tea. We try this. It's a black simple tea. I can feel cardamom, I can feel cinnamon, light, sweet, hot, a lovely tea. Really, I'm telling you. I like their tea, but so far their food was delicious, but it wasn't authentic. Really, I'm telling you. Because I was thinking it's gonna be mandi, but I feel like the mandi rice is same as a biryani rice. It wasn't what we were expecting. So, but food is delicious. Anyways, thank you very much. I thought I'm gonna share tea with you guys, and we'll meet you next vlog and flavorful vlog. See ya.
Thanks for watching.